In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PixVerse AI in 2026 to create AI videos easily from text or images. First, go to the PixVerse website or app and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you will see options like text to video and image to video. Next, choose text to video if you want to create a video from a prompt. Just type a detailed description of the scene, including style, lighting, and camera movement for better results. If you already have an image, select Image to Video and upload your picture. Then add a simple motion prompt like zoom, pan, or cinematic movement. After that, choose your settings such as aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok, or 16:9 for YouTube, and click Generate. Wait for the AI to process your request, then preview your video. If needed, you can regenerate or adjust the prompt for better results. Once you're satisfied, click Export to download your final AI video. And that's it! That's how to use PixVerse AI for AI videos in 2026 quickly and easily.